prepare for bardo, prepare for death, prepare for navigating the bardo properly and finding a good rebirth. And so your book is it. So how does it work? Tell us.
Well, thank you, Bob. It's exciting to be here. I've been looking forward to this. And well, to start with lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming, as most people know, is a dream in which you know that you are dreaming, and it has many advantages to become aware in the dream state.
Yes.
And it ranges from the ability to ask for support and guidance for one's own life problems. You can yell out a question. Is there anyone with a message for me? Or you can ask for an experience. And in the further stages, you can really start learning how the dream world is created. And once you start noticing that, you start seeing how that reality is real and is created, and also how this reality is created in the same way. And that has a lot of benefits, because then you start exploring the nature of reality. And we can make the assumptions that the bardo and all these other states are created in similar ways, and then we can navigate through the territory once we're there.